We'll use 2 small balls to release some tension in your hips and lower back. So this time we're going to come down onto your back first, then lift your hips. Place the balls underneath your low back. Settle in here. See if you can allow your hips to sink. Take a deep breath. Feel yourself stretching your belly. You'll slowly inch the balls down. You can do this by lifting your hips and take the balls down literally just an inch. And again, sink your weight into the balls. Last one, taking the balls a little bit lower. Remember, you're started on your low back, so now you should be right about on your seat. So you're no longer on your low back, the balls are underneath your butt. Your hands are on the floor, shoulders are relaxed. You're actually going to start to move, start to sway those hips left and right. The more movement here in your hips, the better. So really get a sense of swing and sway in the hips. You'll notice the balls are going to start to migrate out to the sides. When they do, pick them up, place them into the center, and do it all over again. So get that swish in your hips, left and right. Shoulders are still relaxed, both of them on the floor. Might get some good sound effects with the balls here. And then next time your hips, the balls have gone all the way to the outer edges of the hips, we're going to take the feet together, knees apart, and use the weight of your hips to sink into the ball. Again, notice how much space there is to breathe into your belly. Take advantage of that space. Deep belly breath. To come out of this, heel toe your feet a little further away from one another. Press your feet down to lift hips, balls come aside. Just settle for a moment and notice the difference in your low back and your breath.